Installing Acura with spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do.
When choosing wheel spacer for Acura, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality Acura wheel spacer must be made of good material. The advantage of choosing BONOSS Acura wheel spacers is that the hot and dicing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined centerboard that perfectly matches the hub assembly. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provides a perfect solution.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Type R wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.